Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Quick recap of the day trading today. Today is the 11th of June 2020. And we're looking at S&P 500 at the moment. I'm looking for hours. Let me just quickly look at the daily. After FOMC yesterday talk about interest rate and all stuff, I know that is not going to change, but it looks like a bearish momentum going on at the moment. Yesterday we saw that spike up there. Let me just get this. Okay. So what that telling me that just come close to the previous day close, which is where most of the big hedge fund they buy at the close. They pushed back the market the next day just to close their book, and they went short basically. So what happened is they pushed the market by forcing more money to fly inside them to get exit out of the position. Basically, that's what's happening in the background. So these guys have a deep pocket and they do this all the time. So all the time that we see rejection, that's their footprint, if you want to call it. As soon as they come around this price, you see that big momentum coming back down. My trigger was at the opening, of the day. That's where we go below it. That's where I will go. And here you go. The following day we come down all the way. My target is about 3,060, maybe below it. We'll retouch the 20 moving average, and that's where it will go. Yesterday I talked about that, guys. I said that I'm looking for a momentum down to the 20 moving average. That's look like is working out very well. And I'm short time trader on future, not on forex, of course. So as you can see it here as well, the momentum come back up very quick at the meeting of FOMC and come back down, close bearish momentum. That's a very good price action. As soon as this 4 hour close, your buyer and the 20 moving average, the first level to buy from, which is sell, I mean. You see that already working out here very well. If I kind of put a line here, just before that line, touch 20 moving average, couldn't really come up all the way to this gap to close it, just by not much really. So the 20 moving average is your border to short from. Other than that, do not short until it come back up to at least close to the 20 moving average, equal to these levels here. If I come around here by tomorrow, that will be a good short opportunity. We'll be looking for a major move, then coming around here, maybe extend a little bit lower. That's the 4 hours. Go down to the 1 hour. You see that is bearish momentum is building strong, but still, if you're not in the market yet, I already took some trades all around these levels in hourly inside the 5 minute. And that's confirmation. A short below here. I target the closes or the opening of these candles, but apparently it won't keep going. So I had my daily target and I out of the market already. That's the future contract. Is complete. Is done. Moving on. 30 minutes as well. You can see that the momentum is building here. Look at that. We lose. We break below. We come up with one more push up here. We break below. We have one more push up here. We break below it. The momentum is very strong. We see that many waves. One from the top here for 30 minutes. You see one wave, two, and even break even. Then double top here. You can call this double top. And we broke below it nicely. Come back here. Come retest this low. A failure to break higher or continuation to the 20 moving average, and what happened next? We broke, come back retest, and that's your entry. And your stop loss should be above this line here. Here, your entry should be around this level, and you be 2 to 1 1 1 2 trade. So you probably exit around this level here at the first, and after that, if you want to re-add after this has been held here, the price held for a while, then continue again, then come back again to retest this swing. We couldn't really even come to it yet, so it's like the sell in a hurry. And remember that, guys, when you market going down, go down very fast. When it goes up that way, will go down and go really fast, but it's going to just a few spikes in the middle. But when going up, we will see more waves. But coming down very quick, because panicking of staying in position is more stronger than buying positions. Buying position is just always waiting for spikes or waves, small waves, to get in and get out for the next wave, because you know that from experience is the waves are quite short, but when you're going down, you're going down big. You can see that really strong momentum down, and that will continue. But you need to go back let me just quickly go look at 5 minute. A beautiful trade all the time. Come to 20 moving average, give you the signal to short it, and here we go. We'll have us hold a little bit for a while. This is consolidation. Come back up just to give you opportunity again to re-enter again. You looked at this left swing, couldn't really touch it. We broke below the two candles as I shown momentum up, failure to break above these guys, come back down, retested the breakout, and we continue 1-2 and 1-2 again. And as I see, you can see here that's a measure move. And it's keep going down. It's gonna keep going down because we held here for a while. Everyone saw about their position now. We couldn't really break higher. We have a one spike up two, and we broke above below this one. What happened is maybe this 5 minutes will come back retesting here, and we'll see whether or not we want to continue lower today. We still have long hours to finish the day in New York, so the trade is still on. So as you see here on the daily, first target is a 64, and the second target will be below the 20 moving average, maybe the 3000 mark. It will come in and play again, and this is a strong momentum down, guys. So probably if we go down today, if we come back down, spike, come back up, probably going to see some small pullback around this level on a daily, then we'll continue back more lower. That's on the daily I'm talking about. So if you want to trade only in a small time frame, you go lower and you see what suits your strategy. Okay. Gold, of course, gold going back all the way to the highs now because of S&P 500 proven to be risk off, and that's where the money flying from the money being taken off the market from here is going back to gold. And gold very well hold the 20 moving average above it. I talked about that yesterday, said that we're holding well here. Let's see if we will continue be successful breakout or will actually go down. It give actually bull back today, very nice bull back, and that's always a good opportunity to buy. I'm not in gold, but I think this momentum is going to continue, come back another bull back to this level, and will continue more higher. So keep in mind that 1800 will be a good area to exit your long positions. Okay. Bitcoin, you can see that as I expected, Bitcoin is going to go down. Gold, sorry, S&P 500 risk off one. Okay, so S&P 500 risk off. Dollar will take advantage of risk on risk safe haven. What's against Bitcoin here is dollar. So I expect the dollar to continue momentum down, at least ABC, then maybe small pullback, retracement, then ABC again. And overall, we're going to have 1, 2, 3 big one. So inside here is going to be 1, 2, 3, then maybe 1, 2, 3 inside there, then 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what the level? Level could be this one, could be the 8.5, but overall, sentiment for Bitcoin is coming down. We have one spike here, that's second qualifier as well, two, and the third spike. Really, we couldn't really break. You can see the rejection of this price. Failure to continue up is very interesting momentum. That was going to go below the 20 moving average on the daily. It will prove to you that its momentum is coming back down. Happened here before, but you see that it was like kind of like cold feet to continue down, and we pushed more lower to failure to fail. Become a failure to break lower. You can see that there's a failure here, come back up strong, and we'll have another failure equal to this failure, and that's where is your border is. So that's your border. Now let's see if it's going to touch the bottom of it and become a failure again, or actually will continue down. I think it's going to continue down if that's S&P 500 will go all the way to coronavirus situation. And also uh, the stock is not going to go down. It's not going down because of coronavirus. This is still news to come to the market. You know, that's what to do with FOMC yesterday. So remember that we have some kind of spike happening of the second wave of coronavirus. Just stay tuned for that. That's overbought. I've been talking about for a few days. Guys, is overbought, but you know, you only trade what you see, you don't trade what you think. I was long at this time as well, but in my back of my head, it is overbought, and any moment this bubble will gonna explode. I don't want to explode in my face, and that's why if it's you wrong, you exit your position. Don't stick around. It doesn't matter if you're right. What's matter is where the money going, and you follow. Okay, it's very important, guys. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I'll be happy to reply to you directly on the message. Oil, of course, is taking the bid down as well. Where's the first level of resistance? Could be this one, and also is going to equal with the 20 moving average. My expectation is we'll go below it, come back again for a pullback, and we will continue one more leg down, this angle equal this angle, then we will start to shape our map. We'll start to building our map. I would like to see this to show me the swing low. From there I will mark in my map and see whether it will be successful to break higher or it will come back down again to test these lows. Okay, that could be ABC. Big one inside it, of course, is going to be more details. Go down to the time frame and you will find your way down there. Dollar index holding now because of course dollar is taking the side of cash, and you can see that held very well here. You see that almost 50% of the day come back up, and the following day you didn't really go down low much. We broke the high of this day and we'll come back down quickly. I'm sure the following day we will continue more higher, so probably we're going to come around this level as a swing high. Then from there probably we're going to come up at 50% here, then we will swing a little bit high again. We will meet in the 20 moving average on the way. Could be a little bit lower or give you failure to break out lower as well. It depends. If it's all to do with the head of the snake. If S&P 500s keep going down, then the rest of the your plan will work out. If it start to hold, then the rest of your plan, the rest of the bears will hold as well. If it's going up again, then we will change in sentiments. But I don't see that's happening soon because we were really overbought big time. So probably today is going to be a bearish day. Tomorrow maybe 50-50 and another momentum before the close. Then the following day we will see more to it. Okay. Um, Next. Euro a little bit strong here. Try to catch up with the highs. I think if you go down to low time frames, we already touched the highs of the previous highs. And if whoever made a mistake on buy, probably they exit around here. And you can see it in the market in 4 hours. We have a one spike, a few spikes here, failure to break above it, and we're coming back down again. If the case of in the case of dollar getting strong, then we're probably going to see euro dollar coming back down to the 12, then after that go low to the 11 later on. The big spike level, that's the red one here. That's the bigger one. That could be the bottom for any intention of going back up again. If it's become a failure around this level, then my expectation to be 50% around here. So I'm talking about the future here, not right now. Right now, I would like to see break below the 20 moving average, retest it, and we'll have a measure move, retest and measure move. That's what I'm looking for. Something similar to this. It's going to be wider because remember, going down faster is going then going up. We're going to see big momentum down, like what happened in S&P 500. It's just a fresh example, but this is always in the market. If you go back in history, sorry, let's just go back there. See that here, if I just zoom in, see that momentum going down, really strong. Bullback, small bullback, not even 50%, and boom, another one, and another one. Going back up, you see, it's struggling. I know this momentum is strong a little bit, but it give it all the way back again, then coming back up again, slowly going up. But going down, as soon as it's been confirmed, they exit their long, they exit their position, and the short, they jump in the market, and that's what's giving you the momentum. Okay. Pound cable, we see that cable. Yes, of course. I'm short actually on pound yen. I announced that yesterday in some forums. I said I'm short pound yen. I talked about that yesterday. I wasn't really sure, but when I saw S&P 500 is losing, I knew that yen is gonna push up, and that's why I played pound against it. Because if cable is going to be low now, it's gonna pull back now because of dollar is strong, then pound yen is a good trade to short it, and this as well good trade to short it as well. Pound USD, very good trade to short. So what I'm expecting from here, I expect to hold a little bit here. Maybe next day will give me about 50% of that candle, then we'll push a little bit lower here to the 25. So 25 is your mark. Also, it closes the 20 moving average coming to the 25. That indicate that momentum maybe will build up quickly. So maybe tomorrow we're gonna have another red candle to retest the 20 moving average plus the 25. So stay tuned for that. Do not long from here. Don't think that's because of this levels here. No, it's not gonna hold. This support maybe is not gonna hold. I'm not sure. I don't know the future. But the fact is, S&P 500 and the stock under pressure. And what that give me? Give me gold up. Give me cash. Cash will be up as well. And yen. Okay, keep that in mind. So when this happens, we're going to see some pullbacks, and after that, we'll see another momentum down on the stock. So that could be it. Could be have another day here, come back pullback, then we'll give you momentum more down. Because The reason being, not because of pound is weak, no, because of dollar is strong. Okay, just keep that in mind as well. Pound yen, you see that I shorted yesterday around here, around the close. I shorted and I see that momentum coming back down, 20 moving average. I'm still in the market. I even put some limit order here, limit sell, hoping for to come back up and continue down. I'm still in my trade. I don't want to exit yet. But if you look at it, we lifted the 20 moving average 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, right? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So we'll try to leave the 20 moving average for 26 days, coming back in 5 days only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So 1 day different, but we touched the 20 moving average now. It could be some pullback, a small retracement to this level, to the breakout. Look for this one here, and I'm having some limit orders here to leave to give me more momentum down. Also, I'll be checking today whether or not we have a spike a little bit lower. Then I'll probably going to close. Actually, my profit target is here around this level. I'm not far from it. I have to check actually. I didn't really check yet. So I think that's gonna not come here by the book and stop on the 20 moving average. That's very basic. I think it's gonna hold for a while, indicating that he can hold, but after that we're gonna see really big push down before the market close. And if he's come back up and close above the 20 moving average, probably gonna be some pullback here, then we'll take it more low. Okay. Yen is gonna be strong. When yen becomes strong, it's really go fast momentum down. I'm long from the close yesterday, 50%, stock going down, show me the FOMC showing that the weakness and bearish momentum, and I'm long on it. My target is 20 moving average, and one more here. I split my target to one at this level and one at 20 moving average. If we go fast quickly, maybe tomorrow, if we go quickly around Nifty, maybe around this level, I'll be closing both of them at the same time. I will be buying on any retracement pullback. Give me head and shoulder. Okay. Next, I want to make this fast and quick. Oopsie. Right. New Zealand as well. You see that, of course, the stock is going to go low. So New Zealand is going to take the short side. So New Zealand has become a weaker. And I like to extend this level around here. And let's see what's happening here. I'm not long yet on it. I like to see it to break above this one because I think New Zealand is strong. So still not really get affected by stock yet. But what I think is going to go to the 20 moving average. Very much you will test something similar. You see that a few days on hold, big spike, catch up with the 20 moving average. We could have the same scenario here, a quick catch up with the 20 moving average, and from there maybe we're going to see leg two. Then we'll go for wave three, wave two, wave three. Okay. Pound CAD, I'm long. I'm long at this price right there, right there. A few pips up. I'm long, but I come back against me now. That's fine. The momentum is looking great. We're above the 20 moving average. My stop loss just below there. Maybe somewhere here. I think in between. I left it in between because they are two very close to each other. And what in my back of my head, I will buy in more in any pullback. But I'm not in the money at the moment. A very tiny amount of lots here. And when I'm coming about 50%, I will add another 25%. And at the bottom here, I will be add the rest of the 100%, which is going to be 50% of the allocated money for this pair only. Okay. What we're looking for here, just to keep a quick review, there is a gap here need to be filled. Let's see where we're going to go from here. I think we're going to go a little bit higher to this low, to this highs, maybe a little bit higher. If S&P 500 indeed going down faster, then we'll probably be small low. We'll be looking for wave two in the bigger picture, then wave three all the way up to here. That will give me a butterfly pattern, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, thanks very much for being here and have a lovely day and good trading and a lot of pips, hopefully. And please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and ask me questions, and I will be happy to answer. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.